Ki khubor ka bate se TV.
Kamda ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka Khublei lahamiet neshai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing Khublei. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Kynhun Menteri Jangka Sorkar Jela hakakat lai trip julio arajar arpusan klapin pau yakajing Sngewnguh ke bakrau yakatnat Pulit ke Jela bak deki Kynhun per ke bidan benta banwat yakamet jora jaragu vanshi ubla syak penyap halaka jangka kurim bak deki langut ki wepat haka parking lot we saudong haka bai ke met Sngewnguh lalap haka artrip julio arajar arpusan namot arliang ke bidan hajan we saudong sora habakaran jikilat patai kubor Menteri ke Sorkar Jela ubak po lingdo Ubalongru unong ektin jangka Sorkar ulong baka Kynhun Menteri kan Sngewnguh yaka Director General of Police kong ida shisha nongrang bak deka Kynhun Pulit jogi is khasi hers ban penpau ke Sngewnguh halo ka jingla ban toket benya bin pabin yaka deka jingja tak hadu ban yok kem yaka sonam bak deka saungut ke bidan ketilang ban penyap yo raja Raghuvanshi.
Resolution to formally acknowledge with gratitude the role played by various agencies, government departments, and especially the role played by the police department in handling the tragic case which occurred at Sora, where there was loss of life of one tourist. The cabinet acknowledged with heartfelt gratitude the role of all stakeholders, especially those who were part of the rescue team, which tracked and stationed themselves at Sora for the past 15 days or so. The cabinet will also formally meet officers like the DGP and the team from the East Khasi Hills Police in order to formally pay respect and acknowledge the role that they have played in cracking the case. As far as the rescue team is concerned, I have personally met them at Sora day before yesterday, where we had also given them cash incentives of ₹15,000 per volunteer, along with certificates.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.